Want to see the magic? Here you go. Do you also want to make this at home? Let's make this. Things required to make this. 1. Old use jar. 2. Scissor. 3. Rope. 4. Glue gun. Cut your rope in several equal parts like this. Now, apply glue on the jar like this. Attach the pre-cut rope sections to the jar using glue. Cover the jar all over. Pre-cut ropes have been attached to the jar. Now take 3 attached ropes parts and make a braid in same manner. Now stick braid to the jar with the help of glue. Leave next 3 pre-attached rope parts and make braid with next 3 in same manner. Look closely how it will look when it's done. One more cinematic shot for better understanding. Twist 3 more rope parts and make a braid like this. Now tie your jar with this braid. One more close shot for better understanding. Now put the chargeable candle inside. It will look like this in daylight, but in dark, you will see the actual magic. We hope you like what you have just made. Do like and subscribe our channel for more DIY crafting ideas. Thanks for watching.